Hello everyone, this is Esther from the International University of East Africa. International University of East Africa is located in Kampala, Kansanga along Gaba Road, formerly known as Didi's World. So today we are here at the Jinja Agricultural Exhibition to show you some of the university services and products that we have come with. One of the products that we have come with is the live soil organic fertilizer. Alongside me, I have a colleague from across the Nile Resort.
Hello, this is Helga from Across the Nile Resort, and today I would like to tell you about our packages. We do have school packages, we do have company packages, we host weddings, we host parties. We also do have swings, we have a playground, we have places for big events. We have, how do they call it, a conference room. Yes.
Uganda Development Forum, fostering development.